people going outside, places like a man hit his car, another person hit walking around outside. You know, you can only tell people so much. You give them the forecast, it's a dangerous storm. That's the situation that we've seen in Virginia Beach. Fortunately, it seems like in most other cities, we have not seen a lot of that. In terms of main impact here, of course we've got the strong winds, but it's the flooding that we'll be very concerned with. The tide is coming in as we speak. High tide's around 8. If you're in Norfolk, the Hampton area, all the low-lying areas, flooding will be very similar, if not worse, than Isabel or Norida back in 2009. That is something that is life-threatening if you're at a very low spot. It saves us a drive. You might want to think about getting at least several feet higher just to keep yourself safe.
Yeah.
Cameron, back to you.
Eric, it's interesting. All of these shops that are behind you, these are closed. These people are shut down. Their businesses and headed to higher ground. But as you pointed out, people are going to make their own decisions. We do have another report out of Florida. I'm not even sure if you've heard. Central Florida, a surfer decided to go out and was killed as a result of the high waves in Florida because of Hurricane Irene.
Yeah, I mean, the effects are widespread, and people are going to make their own decisions, and they're going to deal with the repercussions. I mean, we watched maybe half a dozen people go waist high into the ocean just half an hour ago. I mean, we've got high tide coming in, we've got waves that are unbelievable at the moment, and people are jumping in the water. And the surfer Thursday night in Virginia Beach, well in advance of the weather. So again, you get the forecast, we know it's a dangerous storm, we have to keep you safe.
How did she
And
not laugh?
you've gotten a break. I mean, the wind seems as intense.